Welcome to our channel. Lots of questions pop up when you think about investments. How much money will I need? Where to invest? How much to invest? In which product should I invest? What should be the returns on my investments? Investments create many anxieties and stress. The reason for this is we look at investment as a product. But actually, investment is a journey to be planned, to be traveled through. A journey for life which only you can make happy, enjoyable and peaceful. Welcome to Dream Invest Financial Education, the channel with a very different view on the science and art of doing and managing investments. On this channel, we can help each other to answer all the above questions. Please watch this video till the end. Also, for the latest updates and videos, do subscribe our channel. By subscribing, you can enjoy our free live sessions on different aspects of creating and managing wealth. Dream Invest is a one-stop solution for everything in finance and investments. With a client family of 5,000 plus and 19 years experience, we deploy the best qualifications in the industry such as Certified Financial Planners, Chartered Insurance certifications. We manage 50 crore yearly investments with 1,000 crore risk under management. Dream Invest has designed its own unique thought process. We believe that the investment is not a product, it is a process for life which needs to be reviewed and restructured periodically. The investor, his thoughts, habits, concerns have a major role to play in his investment journey. That's the reason we say investment is an individualistic process, unique to each family, and we help investor to design his own journey. We have a focus on 10 milestones in the client's investment journey, starting from client tutorial to wealth transfer. Dream Invest's primary aim as a financial planner is to help the client achieve financial stability, fulfill all his personal goals in all eventualities by generating optimum returns with lowest anxiety and without disturbing his current lifestyle. We feel the role of an advisor is of a coach, a support system to the investor in his investment journey. After interacting with many of our clients and getting the feedback from them, we felt the need to design a knowledge series focusing exclusively on investors' role. In today's complex world, where tons of information is available, there is a confusion in the mind of an investor. Let's understand there is a huge difference between long-term wealth creation and short-term growth opportunities. This knowledge series comprises of 13 sessions on different topics. Session 1. Kitna return milega? This one question has troubled me as an investor since last 20 years and has been asked by all of my clients as a financial planner. In this session, we'll try to understand the role of inflation in our investments, analyze the history of different investment returns, and learn the concept of investment returns versus investor returns. Understand income tax. Session 2. This is one component which erodes your wealth at the highest rate. It's a statutory obligation and needs proper planning to minimize its effects on your wealth creation. In session 2, we will try to understand the different tax categories, old and new tax regime, and how to optimize your tax. Session 3. Outgo management. It's not how much you earn, it's how you manage what we earn. Money management is a science which each individual should learn. Outgo management is the first step in our wealth creation. Let's understand it's difficult to create a savings habit. So this session will help us to design an outgo management system which each individual can apply easily in his daily routine. Session 4. Record keeping. In today's digital world, investments have become too complex and scattered in different products. There is no physical documents in most of the cases. So keeping up-to-date records for us is of immense importance. There is a need to review investments and restructure it with time. For this, we need a bird's eye view of all our investments. Record keeping session will help us to design a system to maintain, review investments and map the investments with our personal goal journey, thus helping us to control all the investments and provide our family a single window to take charge of the investments in our absence. Session 5. Asset allocation. Asset allocation is the key to peaceful investing. A word we all hear on a lot of news channels, but let's explain how to do it. Let's understand how to design an asset allocation which suits you as an individual and your risk tolerance. We will also try to understand the risk-return trade-off in different products and the difference between sensible and sentimental investments. Session 6. Mutual funds. Mutual fund is the talk of every investor, but very few understand one important aspect, that mutual fund is not a product. it is the process of investing. The session will help us understand the types of mutual fund categories, the science behind investing in mutual funds, कैसे mutual funds सही है. Session 7, traditional investment schemes. Sensible investment is the spine of any investment portfolio. This session will discuss different investment products depending upon our need and time frame, which can be complementary to our portfolio and help us design a proper investment basket. Passive income, session 8. Why do I need to do investments? Should be the first question. We have some personal goals to be satisfied, which needs a large capital. The first personal goal for any investor should be creating a passive source of income. This 45 minutes will help us to have an enjoyable middle age. Child education. The primary goal and reason for a lot of anxiety for any parent in the children's education. Let us try to remove our stress and design a foolproof education funding solution in this session on child education. We will understand the history and inflation values and also options to remove the uncertainties in this process. Session 10, retirement planning. Peaceful second innings is the destination of every couple. It's not when to retire, it's how to retire and at what income. How to hold on the investment in the retirement phase. Retirement planning session will help us work on designing a stress-free money management process for our retirement. Session 11, risk management. We all face uncertainty in life. It's not about avoiding them, it's about managing the risk and the cost our families need to pay for them. Risk management will deal with all the risks and try to eliminate the financial losses involved in them, may it be life, health, disability or property. Wealth management, session 12. Investing is the easiest part of the investment process, but managing what we have created, using it for ourselves and transferring it to the next generation with lowest administrative issues, tax effects and family litigations is a TSM task. Succession planning has to be done now. In this session, let's understand the different ways of doing it. The last session, session 13, business risk management. A businessman carries his assets in his shoes and liabilities on his shoulders. Business risk management is a specialized subject. In this session, we can discuss business risk management and business succession planning and ideas to get maximum tax benefit from invest. Thank you for watching till the end. Here is a bonus for that. We will be conducting free live sessions on Zoom and YouTube. What you need to do is invest your 45 minutes. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates on Dream Invest Financial Education. Send a consent to add you to our WhatsApp broadcast group and save the below number 9422034497. Thank you once again for watching. Stay safe. Happy investing from Dream.